Right, well, I'm back with some Life Colour paints, and this one is Life Colour 701. It's a Rust Dark Shadow, so I'm going to put some of that on it, and again it'll be a dabbing technique, and it'll be dusted up anyway, so just give some a bit of dabbing. There you go. I'll same this end. Oops, sorry. Same this end. It's awkward when you. Oh, I'm still going to break that. Move that over. There I can come in the middle now. Start dabbing it. It does dry back a bit lighter. When I do the next one, I'll do this off camera, off the bit model, and then put it on afterwards, because I think you could do a much better job of it, and because it's awkward now. Once the paint gets off a bit, it can get a bit more subtle. When I do a wash with the oil paints over it, it might bring it round a bit better. Oops, get a bit of that. Gotta get a bit more underneath. Let's do this. I can hold it better now. Looking a bit more rustic. Now, I don't know whether they would have spade painted the exhaust, the actual colour, and then it just melts off. I think you can actually do a bit of that anyway. Well, that's that big one. We've got as far as that. So that's that one. Coming to a bit of a lighter one now, and it doesn't matter about cleaning the brush off. I've got to clean this up, but shake this up, I should say. And I've got these colours as well, wood colours. These are wood leather colours, but if some of it's pretty good for weathering as well. Because I like oils, because we've got to go over it a little bit. That's it. I think go down, start going. go again. I'll grab it like I did last time. It's just coming a bit, whoops, coming with a little bit more rust. Well, that was a bit heavy. That'd be right. Try not to go too heavy. Well, it might. At least it's random. Clean the brush up later. The wash will go around it better. Right. I think we're getting there. And then I've got to do these on off-white and then get little bits of wash brush on it to make it look as if the cloth's getting rust through it. Which it most probably would have done. The one at Bobbington's quite clean, so. Right. That's as far as we've got so far. So we're going to come back with, I'm going to I'll tone that down anyway. Oops. Oops. I'm worried about it a bit. I've got to get behind there. That's why it would have been better to do all this off the kit. So anyone who's doing this, and I'll definitely do it on my next one, I will do this all off the kit. Then just put it into place with the rust and everything on it. Sugar puffs? Sugar puffs. I don't like swearing, so I'll just say sugar puffs. I suppose it's the same as swearing. Anyway, it's life, isn't it? Right, I'm quite pleased with that so far. It's not finished, but it's getting there. There you go, another overwash on that. So, on that note, I'll come off. Whoops. Yeah, so, right, there you go. Right. So that's how far we got so far. Got a bit more to do, but you can't see that once there's drying back. That actually looks quite reasonable from that. But once it's had a wash over it with a light wash, I shouldn't rust wash. It should be really nice. Yeah, there we go. So that's we've got so far, and then we're going to start coming around to the next one. So I don't know how much video I've got, but I'll just come in and do a bit more later on this one, and we'll call that an update. Anyway, here we go. See you in a couple of seconds. Right, I'm back now. I've got another colour rust on. This one's called Rust Base Colour, but I'm doing it in the wrong order. It doesn't really matter what order. And I've got the paint on and rubbed it off me, so I just want to do another dab, get another rusty colour there. Here we go. And I'm going to do like this. No, it's not doing as much, but it will do. Here we go. I should go over those straps anyway, but they would have a little bit of rust on them anyway. Right, it looks not too bad now, and I will clean up those bits to make them a little bit brighter, and then go in with a little dab. So I think that is now giving it quite a bit of nice texture. Oops, sorry, there you go. So, right, so I can put that away, and now we'll call that an update for now, and I'll catch you in the next update. I think this is number 26, I think. Anyway, catch you in the next one, and happy modelling everyone, and stay safe. Right, I'm back, and we're going to start doing a bit of washes now to get some shading areas to bring out the detail. And what I'm using now is this one, which is Starship Filth, believe it or not, and it's a good one. There you go. And that's what we're doing, and it's the old type, but it doesn't matter. And there it is, actually. Yeah. It says fantasy, but it doesn't matter because it is a really good colour. Now, because I haven't undone it for a while, hold up, I'm going to have to come back because I'm going to have to get this sorted. Right, there we go.